How to disable background apps on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Today we will be discussing two ways by which we can disable our background apps. So for the first solution, you have to tap on the search button and open settings. Once the settings is open, from the left side you have to tap on apps. Under apps, select installed apps. Hereby you can view all the apps that is currently on your device. To disable any background app, you just have to click on the three dots right beside it and go to advanced options. Scroll down a bit and you will see background app permissions. Click on the drop down menu and set it to never. This way you have disabled the background app on Windows 11. Now moving on to the next step or the next solution. Cross it and then again open the search bar and then type in Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, on the left side you can see different options such as App History, Performance, Processes and Startup Apps. Tap on Startup App icon and here are the different background app that is open. To disable any, you just have to right click on it and then click on Disable. And these are the two ways by which you can disable the background apps. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.